Hello and welcome to this video. We will talk about how to create a LinkedIn newsletter. And hopefully this video will make it easy for you to create your own newsletter and start posting your thought leadership articles. First thing I recommend is bookmarking this link, linkedin.com/article/new. This page is good. I try to always start from this page where you can see the main functions. So first step, you will want to create a newsletter. So there is a button here, create a newsletter, and when we click it we can see here the main fields you need to fill to create your own newsletter. You need to put the newsletter title, and this is what you need to think about. It should be a subject that intersects between your different interests and taking into consideration the audience. Here is the question: how often do you want to publish, daily or weekly or bi-weekly or monthly? It's not really important at this stage. You can choose whatever and then change it. It's not gonna affect. Here you need a brief description of the newsletter. What are you going to talk about in this newsletter and who is targeted audience? And also a logo image for the newsletter. Here is the recommended pixels. When you are finished, you can click done and congrats, you've created your newsletter. When we come back to this page after you created your newsletter, here is the page to create a new article. So basically you have three parts to fill: the image, which should be a wide image to serve as a background. You need a title of this edition, because each edition has a title, and the content here. You can write and edit and everything, and you have all the functions here. And when you fill the fields and click next, it will show here a LinkedIn post which you can write and post to share to your own profile page. When you click publish, both of them, the newsletter article and this post, will be published together, or you can schedule them for a later date and time, defining here the date and the time.